It's the British pound and New Zealand dollar chart. On the basis of H4 time frame. Here we can found the market is now uptrend because 200 EMA is below the current market price, 200 EMA. So sharply market is uptrend. From this uptrend we need to think only for buy entry according to my strategy. Now I can think this is the one support area, that is another one support area, it's another support area, and now at this moment it is resistance level. From this from here we can make one, two, three. It's the Elliott theory. According to Elliott theory, this is point 1, this is point 2, and it is 3. Now we cannot say it is end point of 3, but we cannot sure it is end point of 3 or go again another some point, another some go some pips, or it is a reversal point for another point 4. So for this we can plot it Fibonacci retracement between 1 and 2. This 1 and 2, it is the good point. It's the good point. 161.8%. 161.8%. It is a good one for Fibonacci retracement level between latest wave 2, and this is the resistance area. From this resistance area we can think this is the point 3 or end of the wave 3. So again we now I delete this Fibonacci retracement level, and for determination of next point 4 we can plot it another Fibonacci retracement level between 3 and 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So this is the point we can think this is the point 4. So we can say here it is come here for 4. It is to come here for 4. It is point 4. It's the buy point for us. It's the buy point for us. Plot, and yes, it is the buy point for us because it also a support area, it also a Fibonacci retracement level. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. From this portion we are waiting for another 5. From it will be 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are waiting for this. This is the level where 200 EMA come here. We can make another trend line here. So we can think it is a trend line. This is the point. This is the point. Here one is trend line support, horizontal support, 200 EMA as a dynamic support, Fibonacci retracement level, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 200. It will be Elliott 4. So it's a good point as a good point for sell. It is a good confluence for it's a good confluence for buy. So we are waiting for this great opportunity will come, already coming in future. It's a great opportunity for buy from here.